Welcome to SSP Tool Line. Today we're going to talk about Deluxe Master Security Bit Set. This set includes 215 pieces, 139 25mm length bits, 26 50mm bits, 13 75mm bits, 20 nut drivers, 2 bit adapters, a wing nut driver, 1/4 inch and 3/8 quick change driver. This set has 14 screw drives, which contains a hex socket, a hex pin, a torque drive, a torque pin, Phillips, a posi drive, slotted, Robertson, a torque set, a tri-wing, a clutch tie type A, 5-lobe, snake eye, and a spleen. Each bit is made of Chromium-Vanadium Steel. This set comes two ways. Comes as a bit set or a tool set, which includes an all-in-one screwdriver handle and bit, a ratcheting dual driver, a mini bit ratcheting tool with handle, a mini combination ratcheting fixed tool, a 4 and 8 inch magnetic bit extension, a jointed swivel driver, and a number 1, number 2, and number 3 cryo-cut double-ended 4-flute Phillips countersink bit. Everything is nicely organized in a molded plastic case with a handle from SSP.
Visit us on the web at www.supercoproducts.com or place an order with your Superco sales rep today.